Let's draw cuboid. You can see this is the front and back. These are the two sides and this is the base along with this top. So every cuboid has a length, a width and a height. The formula for cube is L cross L cross L, that is L power 3. But when we shall take cuboid, and the volume of cuboid will be L cross W cross H. So basically the difference between the volume of cube and cuboid is only that cube has all three sides same, but cuboid has all three sides different, length, width and height. Okay, now look at this jewelry box. If we take this as length, this is the height. This side is having length multiply height and the back side is also length multiplied by height. These two sides, end sides, these are width multiply height and this side is also width multiplied by height. And this top and bottom is not having any height. This is width multiplied by length. So we shall have two sides in which we shall have length into W, two sides which length into height and two sides with width into height. When we shall take the formula for surface area, twice length into W plus twice W into H plus twice H into L. These two sides, which is the base and the top, are L into W. These two sides, W into H, and these two sides which are having length into height are here front and length into height back. You can also remember this formula as LWH. Write it like this: multiply W with H twice, multiply W with L twice and multiply H with W twice. Make the formula for surface area of cube with surface area of cuboid. You know surface area of cube is 6L square. There are 6 sides and all are L square. So surface area of cuboid is twice L into W plus twice W into H plus twice H into L. When we have a cube, we have all sides same. So this W will become L. This W and H will become L. And this H will also become L. You can see that you have twice L square plus twice L square plus twice L square, which will give you 6L square. The simplest possible example related to cuboid: length is 6 cm, width is 4 cm and height is 3 cm. You have to find the volume. Volume is L cross W cross H. So you are going to multiply 6 with 4 and 3. 6 4 times 24. Multiply 3 will be 72 cm cube. And when you have to find the surface area of the same cube, right, you will take twice L into W, 6 into 4 plus twice 4 into 3 and then twice 3 into 6. 6 4 times 24, 4 3 times 12 and 3 6 times 18. You can see the final answer for the surface area is 108 centimeter square. The second question which I have, length is 9 centimeter, width is 7 centimeter and height is not given. So we shall take height as H, but we are given here the volume. The value of volume is 378 centimeter cube. So we shall use the volume and find the height. The formula for volume is L cross W cross H. 378 I have written instead of volume is L is 9, W is 7 and H is, you can say, small h. I shall multiply these two and divide 378 with 9 7 times 63, and after doing the cancellation with 3, now again cancel with 3, and my height is 6 centimeter. So in this question you have observed that if one of the dimensions is missing, you will be either given the volume or the surface area to find that dimension. The volume or the surface area which will be given will help us to find the missing dimension. The second part of the question is that I have to use this cuboid and I have to melt it and I have to convert it into smaller cuboids. And the dimension for the smaller cuboids is 2 centimeter cross 3 centimeter cross 3 centimeter. So what I have to do? I shall take the volume of the bigger cuboid. It was 378 centimeter cube, and I shall divide it with the volume of the smaller cuboid in which I have to transform. I shall take it as small b. 3 multiply 3 is 9, 9 2 times 18 centimeter cube. And how many small cuboids will be formed? I shall divide this 378 with 18. So total 21 small cuboids can be formed from the bigger cuboid by dividing the volume of the bigger cuboid with the volume of the smaller cuboid. The last question related to cuboid is, I have surface area of cuboid equal to 376 centimeter square. I have the length and width given. Length is 6 centimeter and width is 8 centimeter. Again I have to find the height. I shall use the formula for surface area, twice L cross W plus twice W cross H plus twice H cross L. I shall use the value of surface area, the value of L and W, and keep H as H. Six 8 times 48. 48 is twice. When we shall multiply 48 with 2, 96. This is 8 multiply 8 is 8h. 8h multiply 2 is 16h. And 6h multiply 2 is 12h. So I shall subtract this 96 from this side. As it is positive here, on the other side it will be negative. I shall add these two h. We can take small h or capital H, our choice. Okay, I take it as capital H, 28h. So when I shall find the height, I shall subtract these two divided by 28 and the height will be 10 centimeter. So when we have height, we can also find the volume by multiplying 6 with this 8 and with this 10, and the answer will be 480 centimeter cube. Remember always that your volume will be in cube units and your area will be in square units, and if you have to find some dimension, that will be in single length units.